So y'all, I made some lobster, fried lobster. Look at that. Oh, so good. And fried shrimp. And I also have crab legs that are boiling. But I made this sauce queen sauce, which is like Alfredo. It's so good. It's like really, really good. I can't. And it's like heavy cream, Parmesan and mozzarella with a cream cheese, bomb Alfredo dip. Okay, so y'all could get one more look. Look at this. It's hot. I went to the gym today, by the way. I don't care. I was craving it. Oh my god. It's so good. It's so good. And now for the finale. Well, the finale of what y'all will see. Look at this. I'm gonna dip it right in the pot. Ain't nobody gonna eat it but me. Ugh. It's so decadent, like I just want to pass out. Not literally, figuratively, y'all. Well, this has been a little mini mukbang featuring queen sauce